Disclaimer. This video is not intended to show you the best route to take to transport drugs across Indianapolis. Sorry, crackheads. How's it going, everyone? If you enjoy my videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. In this video, I take I-70 west through Indianapolis. If you're new to my channel, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. We are on the east side of Indianapolis, and it won't be long before we are in downtown. Indianapolis is home to 867,000 residents, while the metro area has just over 2 million residents, making it the 34th largest metro area in the country. The average household income for the city is $46,000 a year, and 20% of the residents live in poverty. 30% of adults 25 and older hold a bachelor's degree or higher. The violent crime rate in Indianapolis has spiked in recent years, as it's currently just over 1,300 for every 100,000 residents. Most lists that rank the country's most dangerous cities has Indianapolis listed anywhere from 9 to 12. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more amazing insight on U.S. cities. As we begin to see the downtown skyline, Indianapolis is also known for being one of the most affordable large cities to live in. This includes the surrounding metro area. You can find good neighborhoods with good schools with home prices that are really affordable if you're looking to buy a home and raise a family. Just make sure you don't end up on the east side. Downtown Indianapolis has seen some new high-rises being constructed in recent years. Downtown Indy's economy is largely reliant on Eli Lilly, which is its hometown Fortune 500 company. It's also reliant on hosting sporting events, as the NCAA headquarters are located in downtown Indianapolis, and for now anyway, downtown Indy hosts the NFL Combine every year. We'll see if the NFL wants to switch up their location on where they hold the Combine. March Madness tournaments are held here regularly, and the Indianapolis Motor Speedway is on the west west side of town. Also, if you move here and don't know basketball, good luck trying to fit in around here. Indiana is home to 9 of the 10 largest high school basketball gyms, and people here talk high school basketball more than anywhere else in the country. Kind of creepy, actually. Leave the poor kids alone. Just kidding, Indianapolis, you're great. And since you're so great, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content on US cities. You might be surprised to learn that out of the United States' 50 most populous cities, Indianapolis produced the most toxins at 10.9 million tons. For comparison, the oil refinery-rich city of Houston produced only half of that. Take the Harding exit south and you'll see all of the contributors to making Indianapolis the most air-polluted city in the country. Directly to the right is the Indianapolis International Airport, which is home to the second largest FedEx Express hub. The first largest is in Memphis, which is where the company is headquartered. You should really drop a like if you didn't know that. And we finish the video in Plainfield, which is home to 34,000 residents and has an average household income of $60,000 per year. If you enjoy my videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!